Demonstrating the Kraus tube shortening kit. Kit comes complete with a set of guides of all the various sizes that you will ever need. Okay? Comes complete with two handles, a red and a green. Two sets of cutters and a small little knob that the cutter can screw into to get in between posts that the handles cannot. As you can see, the system is simply screw the cutter in place, choose your guide that you require, it screws in the end, and you could start working away. For demonstrations purposes, we've set up a saxophone and we're going to get the inside edge of a post. This will do the same effect to the hinge tube as well. So we now have a area that needs to be addressed. We've picked the appropriate guide and face that'll cover the entire post area where the hinge tube will sit. Because of the length, we cannot get a handle in here and get it straight. So we simply insert this style. We now have it faced. Simple pressure. Few turns, we pull it back out, and we have a finished edge. Okay? This should allow our hinge tube to rotate on that surface quite cleanly. For use in the handles, we'd simply reverse what we've done. If it was the same guide, fine. Screws into the handle piece. Then using a set screw would simply be tighten, and then you would have your handle. Now remember, you can use either handle, either face. Use any of the guides that you need to accomplish your job, and that is how you'll do it. Thank you.